Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to be installing these LED lights on my Maverick. This is a kit I bought from LastFit. I got a really good deal on this kit too. I got it when it was on sale. It comes with your turn signal lights, your marker lights, your backup lights, I'm sorry, your brake lights. This is your backup lights. Your like third brake light and your cargo lights. So that's what all of this is, and I'm gonna get going with the install. And now that we have the hood popped, you can see down here, this is the turn signal light. So you just pop it right out, just like that, and now you replace it with the new one. And there we go, got the new light in. So now we just insert this back where it goes in its little cubby. Now we got to do the same to the other one. Okay, now to put this one back in, just goes right in there. And you keep going, and then you twist it clockwise to lock it into place. All right, now for these marker lights. Now, what you can do these one of two different ways. If you want to do this the hard way, but probably the most useful way if you don't want to scratch your paint, you can go over here and remove, there's some bolts and some push pins, so that's what they're called. You can unhook those, and basically this whole thing will flop back, and then you can get to the light that way. I'm going to try to pry this thing open. There is a pressure point here in the back. You want to get this to just pop forward, and it will pop out if you pry this back part open. So that's what we're going to try to do, hopefully without scratching the paint. Okay, as you can see, I got them out. I did end up marring my paint a little bit, as you can see. And I've already got the other side out as well. I ended up using a pry tool to get these out. I am probably going to have them touch up that paint when I take this thing to a body shop in the future. And I used a pry tool that's supposed to not mar your paint. So that's actually how these are supposed to come off. If you do want it to look good the right way, you can unbolt, take some of the bolts out back here. I wasn't gonna do all of that. I wanted to do things the easy way, which of course isn't always the best way, because that's what happens when you do that. But we're gonna get these lights installed now. All right, these are in, and now to get these back in, this little tab, this is what we had to release to actually get it off, but this literally just goes right back in, just like that, and it's good to go. Same thing on this side. There we go. And now for the tail and backup lights, you basically unscrew these two bolts right here that go here and here. I've already done that, and then this just pops out. I'm not going to do this with one hand, but then you just get your bulbs and you replace them. So I'm not going to show you all that, but I will show you what it looks like when I get both sides done. So once again, it is brake light, backup light, brake light, and there's two sets of backup lights that come in this set. Alright, I got these all out, so now that that's done and screwed back together to both sides, now the last thing we got to do is these lights right here, which these just screw on. There's 4 screws that just go in like that, and then this whole piece kind of dangles out like here, and you can replace the lights. Alright, we got those on, and everything is complete. So there you go. These lights are on back here, which is great. And we go around over here now. You can see everything is working. I'm really pleased and excited about this. If I come around here and turn on the blinkers, they turn yellow, amber, which is fantastic. So there you go. I hope you all enjoyed this install video. Again, kind of just showing it off at this point. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you found this video helpful, funny, or entertaining, you want to see me do more videos in my Maverick, please let me know. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more videos in the future. I will see you guys in the next one.